Okay, here Fred has X pounds that and Jim has 10 less pounds than Fred. So if Fred has X pounds, Jim has 10 pounds less than Fred, so Jim must have X minus 10 pounds. Fred pays 1/3 of his money to Malcolm. So 1/3 of this, so X divided by 3 will go to Malcolm. Jim pays half of his money to Malcolm, so half of this one here, half of this one here will go to Malcolm, so half times X minus 10 will go to Malcolm. So we can see that the amount paid to Malcolm is equal to X over 3 plus a half of X minus 10, which equals, as I say, X over 3 plus X minus 10 over 2. I'm basically going to just say that Jim pays Malcolm this and Fred pays Malcolm this, therefore the total that Malcolm gets is this, if you're going to do it in longhand. Let's move down. Use algebra to show how much money Fred has left. Well, if Malcolm's paid 170, then 170 must equal X over 3 plus X minus 10 over 2. Let's give ourselves a bit more space here. So we want to simplify this. Well, the best thing to do is to do times by a number which will get rid of the 1/3 and the 2. Now we could times by 3, but that wouldn't get rid of the 2 here on the bottom. If we times by 2, that wouldn't get rid of the 3. So how about we times by 3 and 2, which is the same as times by 6. So times this side by 6, where you're going to get 600, and you've got 7 times 6 is 420. So therefore you're going to get 1020 equals 6 times this. Well, 6, let's just put it in a different colour so we can see how working. If we times this by 6, we're going to cancel that down, and that will leave us 2. So we'll get 2x here. And you have 6 times all of this. Well, the 6 will cancel down with 2 to get 3. So we get 3 times x, and we get 3 times minus 10, which is minus 30. Add the 30 to both sides, we get 1050 is equal to 5x. 2x plus 3x is 5x. You've added the 30 to both sides, so that 30's disappeared. So 5x equals 1050. 5 into 1000 gives us 200. 5 into 50 gives us 10. So 210 is equal to x. And that was the amount that Fred had. So that's our answer.